Wireless Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Central Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near the Ohio State University, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Pickerington, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Lee Ohio State University, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Bobetz, Lightopolis, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Bryce, and Port Columbus Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 91 and 112. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 114. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN.